Hello guys, so we are back from our little trek in our room. I'm preparing some food for tomorrow because we decided to do a big trek. Right?
Yes.
We are planning to do the Triund trek and maybe we go higher if altitude is not a problem. Triund is at almost 3,000 meters high. So yes, see you tomorrow very early.
Hey,
Hello!
what do we have here?
I'm making some breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'm making some ginger lemon tea, toasties. Then we will have some nice omelette with some nice vegetables inside, peanut butter, and cheese, and pineapple, which I already cooked yesterday. I just cooked the whole morning, and now we are gonna pack or stuff in. So we have like bumper jackets, extra jacket, like everything to keep us warm here, or electronics, power bank. This is for 2-day hike, by the way. GoPro or light for if it's dark. This is like a little sleeping bag for if it's really cold. Knife, I don't know, we need it. Then we have water purification tablets, sunscreen, and this is like a bandage you use for when you have blisters or when you have how you say that? Yeah,
Wounds.
wrist. Then for if we have a cold, headache, or toothpaste, we have 3.5 liter of water. The rest we can buy or can purify with our tablets. And then lots of food, cookies, cheese with peanut butter, egg sandwich, pineapple, and grapes. And that's all that needs to be like put over our 2 bags, and then we are ready to leave. Bags are packed and we are off on our Triun trek. Next week episode we will show you how we do our hike up. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week!